Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is union and how we use this in SQL queries. This is lecture number 28 given by myself, Shanaz Malik, and let's quickly jump into the core of this lecture. Now please remember that the SQL union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Please remember that each select statement within union must have the same number of columns, and the columns must also have similar data types. Moreover, the columns in each select statement must also be in the same order. Now, if you need to check a simple union state, syntax that's given here, if you see select column names from table 1 and a union select column names from table 2, and this actually table can be same table. It's not necessary to fetch it from two different tables. Okay, now uh, let me quickly jump into Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and just have a look into a query which I have designed to demonstrate the use of union within SQL queries. Now, if you see that task is simple: demonstrate a union, use of demonstrate a use. Use demonstrate let me make it a bit more meaningful. Demonstrate a use of union uh, through a query which has two or more subqueries looking for different strings in the name column. From from uh, from production dot product is right, yeah. um String in the name column from the production dot product table, and use okay, please note that the database used in this query is adventure works 2017. Okay, and if you don't have one, the link is given where from you can download it, and then how to attach it is simple. If you don't know, just watch one of my previous videos in this series where I have demonstrated it, and then come back to this task. So here I am using this database, and then what I'm doing, I'm basically selecting three columns, and from production dot product, and where name I'm picking this one like ball. Okay, and I'm also selecting, I'm unioning all that. So if we have to, for example, let me show you quickly, execute this query. I'm first executing only this part, and let's see what will be the result. So here is the ball, a bb ball bearing ball, and headset ball bearings. All these three are similar, having the string ball, so we have managed to fetch them out by only this query. And what will now happen if we do the same thing? I'm not using different tables, just to keep it simple, using the same table and using all these three columns again. But what I'm just doing is I'm putting a condition where name like flat, and let's see what this query will give us if we execute this. Here is flat, washer 1 2 3 4 up to 9. Okay, so you get all that. But now what if we need it all, results set together all? A simple way to do it is put union between these two select statement, and then this works as this, it kind of combines them together. And if you see, now we have balls and we have this all in one, and that's basically the use of union. And then as I have said already, when you need to combine these two, two or more, please remember that each select statement within union must have same number of columns. And if you see one, two, three columns here and three columns here. Okay, so that is the condition you have to meet, and the columns must also have the similar data types. And see, now these column types has same, because these are basically same, that's what the data type is same. But if you are combining it within two different tables, make sure that the data types are same, or you might have to convert so that the data types remain similar. Okay, moreover, the columns in the each statement, each select statement must also be of same number. And if you see, I have put 1 2 3 columns here, 1 2 3 columns here. And what if I just take one off? What is going to happen is going to give us error, nothing else. Okay, so you have to understand and make sure that you follow the rules and regulation which I have explained here. If you see, here I have explained these rules and regulation. Okay, you please keep them in mind while you are actually putting this query in action. Now I think, let's keep it simple and sweet. And if you like this video, then please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in my next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professional, and remember, sharing this video is caring. And with that, it's time to say goodbye.